So today we're going to be unboxing the Aqara Smart Lock. This says top. Y'all can't see it, but it says top. All right. So, of course, that goes up top like so. All right. What do you got going on in that? I use these in the screw. Gonna be next. Okay. And we're gonna take that and feed that through here. You can move this up or down, but take this, feed this through here, go, and then this right here just comes straight through there. And there we go. All right. Go. All right, about to be connected now. We take this first part right here and we connect this like this. All right, just plug and play. That's good. And then we just take this. There we go. All right. We got action. Take that off. Beautiful. All right, so this is the Aqara U400 Smart Lock. If you go on Amazon right now, you can purchase this for about $269. Now, I know a lot of y'all down in the comments probably thinking, yo, that's a lot. And yes, it is not cheap. But I believe everything that it offers, it makes sense. They have this in two different colors, black and silver. I chose the black version because I think it looks better. Why I chose this lock over the other smart locks that I looked up? Well, there are multiple ways to have this thing unlocked. It also has Apple Home key support. I can unlock this with my iPhone. I can unlock this with my Apple Watch. It has a built-in fingerprint scanner. I can unlock it with my voice. It also has app control. I can also control it through my Apple Home. This smart lock even has NFC card support. And for a lot of those skeptics out there, yes, it still has traditional mechanical keys that they do include as a backup. So relax. One of my favorite features is actually the hands-free auto unlock when I approach the door. It's smart home compatible, so it's compatible with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, Samsung Smart Things, Home Assistant, Aqara Home, and Homey. And as you guys seen in the video, it was extremely easy to install this smart lock. So to be honest with you guys, I have a lot of Aqara devices inside of my smart home. They just do so well with talking to each other. Everything is pretty easy when it comes to the setup. Haven't really had any issues thus far with any of my Aqara devices, and it makes life a lot easier. And as far as the smart lock, it has so many different options for different situations. It's great if you already have a smart home set up, which I do. I'm actually on my way to having my Iron Man home. Y'all will be able to see that a little bit later on in the year. But I love the design. I love the finish. I'm a huge fan of simple and elegant, and it's a good balance of convenience and security. But do I think that this is for everybody? Absolutely not. This thing is not cheap, and I don't think that it makes sense for a lot of people, if I'm being honest. But if you want the convenience, if you are trying to get that smart home and you don't mind spending a little extra money, then I think that this is a decent option. But I'll be testing this thing out a little bit more before I actually give a really solid opinion on this device. But so far, it's been doing everything that I needed to do. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this Aqara U400 smart lock? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.